In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete URL redirect in HubSpot. If you've ever set up a redirect for a page and no longer need it, cleaning it up helps prevent confusion for visitors and keeps your site structure tidy. I'll walk you through the process from logging in to confirming the deletion, plus a few tips so you feel confident about what's changing. Start by opening your browser and heading to HubSpot. The simplest way is to search for HubSpot in Google and click through to the official site. Sign into your account with a user who has permission to manage website settings. If you're part of a larger team, double-check you have the right access before you begin. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen and click the gear icon to open settings. This takes you to your account's configuration area, where most website and domain controls live. In the left sidebar, find and click Content. This section organizes everything related to your website, landing pages, and URLs. Under Content, select Domains and URLs. This is where your connected domains, subdomains, and redirect management tools are grouped together. Next, navigate to URL redirects. Here you'll see a list of existing redirects. You can use the search bar or filters to quickly find the exact redirect you want to remove. It's a good idea to pause for a moment and verify you've selected the correct one. If it helps, copy the original and destination URLs to a note for your records before proceeding, especially if you might need to recreate it later. When you've found the redirect, click the Actions menu to the right of that entry. From the drop-down, choose Delete. HubSpot will ask you to confirm, which is a safeguard to make sure you don't remove the wrong item. Review the details one more time to be certain this is the redirect you want to retire, then click Delete again to confirm. After deletion, the redirect is removed from your list, and traffic to the original URL will no longer be forwarded. Keep in mind that caching or external CDNs can make old behavior persist briefly, so give it a little time. You can test the original URL in a private browser window to confirm it now loads as expected. If you deleted the wrong redirect by accident, you can recreate a new one from the same URL redirect screen. That's it. You've successfully deleted a URL redirect in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to clean up your site's redirects.